Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what's inside of this beautiful bag. Looks like I just walked out of the mall, y'all, but I got this from Coee bags. It was gifted to me. So I want to show you guys what's inside. Stay tuned. So you guys, I just wanted y'all to see this box in detail. Look at this box. Look at the tape on this box. It is packaged very well. Coee bags did an excellent job on packaging alone. So I just wanted you guys to see that it's very well packaged. That it's in bubble wrap in a nice box. Wrapped very well. This is the box. So let's open it up. Okay. Honey, it came with a bag. Look at this. Nice bag. Okay, Coee bag. And this how it looks. I'm so excited. Okay. So it has a little receipt and everything in here. Comes with this, comes with an envelope. Receipt there. Very nice. Okay. Y'all. Okay. She's in here. The moment of truth. Oh my God, so cute. Look at her. Beautiful. OMG. And I can smell the leather. It's trimmed in. I can smell the leather, y'all. OMG. Got this bubble bag in here. I did not even know it had this pouch in here. I'm so excited. I actually ordered some other stuff to go with this, but it has not come yet. So it has this pouch, and it's a zipper. Then it has this little tag here. I guess this could be used as, yes, it has a hole there, so I can use it as like a tag to go on there or whatever. Has the straps. I can wear it a longer strap or a shorter strap. OMG. I didn't know it came with that. So it has a ribbon if you want to, give it as a gift. And here's the strap. This is so nice, y'all. Oh my God. Coee bags did their thing with this. So this is the inside. It has feet, y'all. Okay. It has feet. No bad smells. I smell leather. So I smell the leather trim. And it has this part on it as well. So neat. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this bag is too cute. So I'm gonna get everything set up. Oh, I gotta show you this. So it has that on it, on that side. The hardware is very nice. It's gold. This is very nice, y'all. I really, really, really like this bag. So if you want to see everything set up and me to get everything taken apart and see what's in my bag, stay tuned. So y'all, I forgot to show you the dust bag. This is the dust bag. It's very good quality. The bag is very good quality. I love it, but just looking at this dust bag in itself tells you that they are a very good luxury replica company. Very good quality. It has the writing and everything on here. Very strong bag. Best one I've ever seen. Go check them out, y'all. Y'all, so I had to show you this bag on. It is so cute. I meant to tell y'all that it came in less than a week. And when I went to the website of the original item, it is more than 90% off. 90%. Go look, y'all. I'm so excited. I forgot to tell you the code to use for a discount. So you can use the code ROSE15 for a 15% off discount. And just in case you don't want to watch the what's in my bag, but I think you guys should wait to watch the what's in my bag. Stay tuned. Okay, so I want to show you what's inside of this beautiful LV monogram carry-all bag. First, let me show you another close-up. That's it, y'all. So cute. Oh, so I have my little charm here, my little doggy. This came with the bag, a little tag, and I have my little flower charm on here. You can't hardly see it, but all right. So this is the inside. And it has a pocket on the inside with a zipper. And it has the denim on the inside as well. And then it has two little slit pockets on the outside of the big pocket on with the zipper. Okay. So inside of the bag, it has this cute makeup pouch that I got from Burlington's for $5.99. I have my native deodorant. I have some bathroom spray in here. I have this cute lipstick that I got from Walmart. Nude color, well, brown color. I have this by Red Beauty lip gloss that I bought from a YouTuber a while back. I got this Hello Kitty lip smacker. It's just red lip gloss. I have this Black Cherry Merlot hand cream from Bath and Body Works. I have this Christian Louboutin perfume. And this smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, I can smell it outside of the package. It smells very, very good, and it stays on. I got this Wet n Wild lip gloss, and this is a Care Bear lip gloss. I got this Miracle by Lancome perfume. I got this Lily Lashes, and this is lash glue. And I got some Lancome mascara. Oh, wait. And I got this Twisted Peppermint Nourishing Lip Mask. I love this. Okay. I got this this is by New Day bag that I got from Target. Inside, I have a panty liner. I have Hello Kitty Band-Aids. I got them from Amazon. I got a Summer's Eve sensitive wipe, feminine wipe. I got a couple of wet ones. I got a couple of these wipes, on the go wipes. And yeah. Okay. So also inside I have this little bag that I got from Walmart. I like it, not Walmart, Amazon. And I like it because it's silicone and it's easy to wash. I got some Lysol to go spray. Got a little peppermint in there. Makeup brush. Lifesavers. Ink pen. 2 more ink pens. A pencil, mechanical pencil. An eyebrow shaper razor. And this cute little Hershey's lip gloss. Dental floss. And a cough drop. I got this cute little coin purse from Amazon. And inside of it is just a few coins. Got my keys with my Victoria's Secret key fob strap on it. I got some conditioner spray. I got my wallet. And inside it just has some cash and cards, of course. I got my little notebook planner that I got from Amazon. And it's a cute denim color. And I just got this Rachel Parcell little notebook, calendar. I got it from Target and I don't have anything else in here yet. In this pocket part, I have some more lifesavers. Okay. And then this bag that came with the purse, which is so cute, y'all. Inside of here, I have a Frozen Lake pocket back hand sanitizer. That's so pretty. I got some Kleenex. And I have this little compact that I got from Temu with my name on it. And it's two-sided. I'm not going to open it where, you know, it'll blind you, but it's two-sided. And I thought it was so pretty. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the what's in my bag. I hope you like this bag. It is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Everything about this bag I am in love with. And I will leave the information in the description so you can go on their site to look and see what they have that you may like. But this bag, this is, I mean, this is so beautiful. It has everything engraved, everything here, all the wording. This is a very nice bag. I am very, very pleased. So you guys, that's it for the Coee bag collaboration. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the what's in my bag. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a good one.